Today, I'm gonna show you the common mistakes that learners or students normally do, especially on approximations, I see, mainly decimal places. So I'm going to show you common mistakes. This is, of course, this Maths Olympiad tricks, the common mistakes. So now, suppose we are asked to rectify the following or correct the following: 0.9999 to 1 decimal place. When you see this DP, means 1 decimal place. When you see SF, it means significant place. So this is decimal places. I see. Now, you know what some learners will normally do, or students? If you are asked to correct this, they are going to say, to how many decimal place? This is 1, 2. Oh, sorry, this is 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place. Yeah, this is where they are going to say 0.999 to 1 decimal places. If you are asked to correct this is my decimal place. They say the number next to it is more than 5, so our final answer will be 0.100000. This is automatically wrong. This is absolutely wrong. I see. Come, let me show you how to solve out this problem. I see. Now, to solve out this problem, remember we are asked to correct 0.999 to 1 decimal place. You need to be very careful here. Let's solve it out. 0.9999 to 1 decimal place. I see, to 1 decimal place. In decimal places, you start counting from left to right, just like in significant. You start counting from left to right. So decimal places also the same thing. You start counting from left to right. But decimal places, you start counting immediately after the decimal point. I see. You start counting immediately after the decimal point. I see. So we'll start counting from here. Significant, you start counting maybe probably before the decimal point, if due to conditions, I see, if the number is a natural number, I see. But if it is not a natural number, let's say it's a whole number like 0, the starting number is 0, there you will not start counting, I see. But decimal place, whether the number is important or not, you start counting after the decimal places, I see. So here we are going to start counting after the decimal from left to right. So they say how many decimal places? 1 decimal place. So this is my 1 decimal place. This is 1 decimal place. This is 2 decimal places. This is 3 and 4. But here we are asked to correct to 1 decimal place. So we are going to stop at this first 9 after the decimal point. Now you check the number next to it. What is the number next to it? It's 9. So if the number next to it is 5 or more than 5, we round up. I see. We round up. But if the number is less than 5, let's say 4, 3, 2, 1, we round down. I see. So these are the tricks, or the let's say the principles or the procedures that we are going to use. Now the number next to it is 9 again, so it's more than 5. We are going to round up. That is, we add 1 to this 9. We add 1 to this. I see. To the number that you underline. I see. Now when we add 1 to this 9, it gives us 10. I see. So here we should not write the whole 10 there. I see. Provided that there is a number in front. I see. This 0 is not important, though it's not an important number when it comes to significant, but decimal zeros are important. I see. It is a whole number. It is a number. I see. So you have to consider it. You will not write the whole 10 there. You said 0 carry 1. Just like when you add, when they ask you to add a 2 digits number or 3 digits number, 19 plus, let's say 8. I see. Or let's say 9. 19 plus 9. Yes. If you are asked to add this, you are going to, you are going to say 9 plus 9. That gives us 18. Why don't you write the whole 18 here? It's because there's a number in front of this 9 here, which is 1. This is why you don't write the whole 18 there. You said 8 carry 1. I see. So we said 1, this one plus this one, that gives us 2. So 19 plus 9 gives us 28. So that is also applying here also. Apply here again. I see. The same thing applies. We will not write the whole thing there because there is a value here, just like here. I see. So we said 0 carry 1. I see. Now, let's move. Now we said 0 carry 1. Remember, this is my point. I see. Always put the point down, not at the center. Always put it down. If you put it at the center, meaning you are multiplying. I see. Put it below. Yes, like this. Now, take the one that you carried, you add it to the number next to it, which is 0. I see. So it's going to be 1 plus 0, that gives us 1. 1. So our final answer will now be 1.0. The remaining letters or numbers, you represent them as zeros. This is 0, this is 0, and this is 0. Now, this is the same as 1.0000 is the same as 1. I see. Have you learned something now? Now you can try this one. 2.9999 to 2 decimal places. Try this. You can drop it in the comment section. Drop it in the comment. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is Ibrahim Aljame MO2S. I have uploaded many videos regarding approximations. I talk about significance and then decimal place. Of course, I'll talk about the nearest to the nearest 100,000. So you can learn more on my YouTube channel. Bye.